Do you ever feel your heart racing at the thought of talking to someone new? Or worry too much about what others think of you in social settings? You're not alone. Social anxiety is more common than you might think, and the good news is, it's absolutely manageable. In this video, we'll walk through a complete research-backed roadmap to help you overcome social anxiety and regain your confidence, step by step. 1. Understand what social anxiety is. Social anxiety is more than just shyness. It's a persistent fear of being judged, embarrassed, or rejected in social or performance situations. It can cause physical symptoms like rapid heartbeat, sweating, dry mouth, trouble making eye contact, shaky voice. But here's the key. Social anxiety is not your identity. It's a learned response, and that means it can be unlearned. 2. Increase your awareness. The first step to change is understanding what you're dealing with. Educate yourself about social anxiety through books, videos, or trusted websites. Use a journal or app to track your triggers, how you felt, and how you responded to different situations. Learn your patterns. Awareness creates room for growth. 3. Manage your thoughts. Your inner voice can either fuel anxiety or calm it. So let's begin by challenging those thoughts. Replace perfectionist thinking with realistic expectations. Remember, thoughts are not facts. Try statements like, "I am good enough just as I am." It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone does. Most people focus on themselves, not on me. 4th, practice relaxation and mindfulness. Your body and mind are connected. Calm one, and the other follows. Try deep belly breathing or the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding technique. Take regular breaks and get plenty of rest. Practice mindfulness. Sit quietly, observe your thoughts without judgment, and bring your attention back to the present. 5. Face your fears gradually. Avoidance makes anxiety grow. Exposure helps shrink it. Rehearse social situations ahead of time. Start small. Ask someone for the time, join a club, or speak up in a group discussion. Each time you try, you're rewiring your brain to feel safe. 6. Build real-life confidence. Practical steps can go a long way. Focus on your hobbies and interests. You're more than your anxiety. Join supportive groups or clubs with shared interests. Role play with a trusted friend or counselor. Celebrate small victories, no matter how tiny. 7. Drop safety behaviors. It may feel safer to avoid eye contact, speak softly, or rely on alcohol in social situations, but these only reinforce the fear. True growth begins when you gently let go of those habits. Let your authentic self show up, imperfectly and bravely. 8. Use coping statements. Here are a few powerful affirmations to keep in your back pocket. I am not afraid to speak. I have shy moments just like everyone else. Safety behaviors are not safe. I can develop confidence, it just takes practice. Repeat them. Write them down. Say them in front of the mirror. 9. Seek professional support. If social anxiety is interfering with your daily life, consider reaching out. Talk to a counselor or therapist. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, is especially effective. If needed, consult with a doctor or psychiatrist. Asking for help isn't weakness, it's wisdom. 10th, practice, practice, practice. Finally, the golden rule. Progress comes through repetition. Every small effort adds up. The more you practice socializing, the less fear you'll feel. Over time, your confidence will rise, and your anxiety will fade into the background. Remember this: you are not your anxiety. You are brave for trying, and you are capable of growing into someone even stronger than you imagined. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more powerful insights on mental wellness and self-improvement. You've got this.